The Utilite is a small, fanless nettop computer manufactured by the Israeli company CompuLab. It was announced in July 2013 and is based upon the Freescale IMX6 SoC. It is available in Utilite Value, Utilite Standard and Utilite Pro models.The. Utilite is delivered with Ubuntu 12.04, soft floater armel version, pre-installed.Other available operating systems, Android 4.x Arch Linux ARM, hard floater ARM version. Gentoo Linux source-based distribution. Kali Linux, ARM Debian 7 based, focused on security testing. There exists also 3 new Linux-based operating systems specialized on media playback, XBMC, GeeXbox, Volumio, ARM Debian 7 based. Both the bootloader, Ubuntu, and the kernel are open source and can be found on Gitorious and Github. See also Industrial PC, comparison of single-board computers, references, external links, official website, user guide, technical reference manual, Arch Linux ARM, Kali Linux, XBMC, GeeXbox, Volumio, overview on ARM-based Linux devices, Gitorious, Github, kernel documentation.